What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is AlexGharfeh, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan one-pot instant ramen with veggies. It's from my new book, Plant-Based on a Budget. I've been showcasing recipes from there, and this one really stuck out to me, so I can't wait to show you guys. And if you guys are new to my channel, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get into the kitchen, and I'll show you guys how to make this really easy recipe. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. I have some garlic and onion, rice noodles, edamame, mushrooms, and carrots. And for the noodles, I got about 6 packs and it equals about 9 ounces. That's what the recipe called for. And you can look at the instructions of your noodles and see how they cook, but these ones take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. And I got 6 cups of water that I'm gonna cook them in. But first I'm gonna add all of the veggies to that water. And after the veggies cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, I'll add the noodles, and 5 minutes total, and you should be done. As long as you have everything prepped, this is a very quick and easy meal. So we can begin adding our veggies now. I'm gonna add the onions and the garlic. Now the carrots and the mushrooms, and lastly the edamame. Stir the veggies around until they come to a boil, and then we can add our noodles. Also, the recipe calls for 2/3 of the seasoning packets, and I got 4 here since I used 6 packets of the ramen. And now that it has come to a boil, we can start adding our instant noodles. All right, so before I eat this, I just want to say I didn't follow the recipe to the exact T. It called for mixed vegetables like corn, green peas, and carrots. So instead I did carrots, edamame, and mushrooms. So it's a bit different, but as always, you can add whatever veggies you guys want. These are the ones that I had on hand, so I went with those. And also it calls for the actual ramen noodles, which is made from wheat, and I went with the rice noodles, which is a bit different. But I've actually already had a bite of this because I couldn't really wait. I had to take pictures and whatnot, so it's been sitting for at least 5 to 10 minutes now, and it's really good. So let's take a bite for the camera. Wow. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Was this easy to follow along? I believe this is a very quick and easy recipe. Like I said, if you have all your ingredients prepped already, it should take less than 10 minutes because those instant noodles cook in 2 to 3 minutes. So it's a very easy and convenient meal, and it's very cheap as well. All of the veggies and the instant noodles are not bad at all. So based on servings, the recipe says it can serve 2 to 4 people. Now, depending on how much you eat, I eat a lot, so I think it would probably serve 2 people, but everyone is different. So feel free to add more of the ingredients or less depending on how many people you're gonna be serving. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.